Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Remitly app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Remitly app. If you find updates, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.